Here I have Tenori, and let me show you how to enable here Google Backup on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the list of all apps. Here you need to choose the settings. From list of settings, let's select here the system. From system, select backup. And here we need to enable backup to Google Drive by using that switcher. Let me do it. And now let's tap on account. So the device right now is checking info. Let's wait a couple of seconds. So here you can sign in into the Google account. You can do this in two ways. You can create a new account, or you can use the existing Google account. So in my case, maybe let me use the existing one. Let's just enter the email. Let's tap next. It's time to enter the password. So let me do it. If you are ready, let's choose next right here. Tap I agree to terms of service and privacy policy. The device is checking info. Here let's leave backup to Google Drive enabled. Tap accept. And here you've got the information. The backup includes apps and app history, call history, contacts, device settings, and text message. Tap OK to confirm it. And that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.